What is up, everybody on YouTube? It is my brother here with another video, and today's video is going to be, well, you know, Supreme's releasing something today, so I figured in honor of Supreme releasing something, let's do a Supreme review on something. So today's review is going to be on week 1 of Spring Summer 21. This is going to be on a fitted cap. So right here is the fitted cap right here. It is a pink box logo cap. It is a 27-time champion hat. I'll show you guys more detail here in a second. Right now I am currently rocking a Supreme camp cap from, I don't know, maybe 3-4 years ago, in pink as well. I do like the color pink. It's not something I normally rock a lot, but I do actually mess with it heavy. So when I saw this colorway, I knew I had to get it. I've been getting into fitted hats a lot more anyways, so I figured let's ditch the camp cap and get into the fitted. But before we get into the actual video, guys, definitely follow my Instagram at YoManaberto, where I do post daily, sometimes twice a day, regarding, you know, hats, sneakers, outfits, all that good stuff. Good content there. I think you guys would like it. But now let's get into the video. So here is the hat right here. You can see it is embroidered right there in white script. So it's embroidered in pink and then white script, and it says Supreme on there. Obviously it is a box logo hat. Pink, nothing right here on the side. On the other side you do have the New Era logo, and then right here on the back, this is where it gets pretty nice. You have all the years from 94 all the way up into 21, and it says 27-time champions, world famous. If you don't know how to do math, that's 27 years they've been in business, okay? 1 + 1 = 2, right? Anyways, I've already curved the brim. It was a flat bill, but I curved it already. It is a great undervisor. I like the way this looks, better than green or anything else. Perfect, perfect. You have the white sweatband on the inside, and as far as tags, if anyone is curious, you have the Supreme one right there, then you have the New Era, and then lastly you have the size tag. I did go for a 7 1/4 because my hair is getting longer. Typically I wear about a 7 1/8. So you guys can see right here I have my camp on right there, and we're gonna switch it out. Yes sir, yes sir. Okay, yeah, so we're on right now. We're fitted up. It looks good, and honestly the curve on the brim, it's beautiful. If you guys want to see how I curve my brims, definitely let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll consider making a video on basically how I get these curved brims and actually how I do fits on these as well. So let me know. Honestly guys too, I hope this light is not too bright and you guys can still see the detail of the hat, but it is what it is. This light's so bright. Here's the stickers it came with. You know, you have your normal price tag sticker, and then you have your New Era sticker right here, the little sticker that comes at the top right here. But guys, don't be a clown, don't be goofy. Take that off. You don't need to keep stickers on your hats, because do you keep stickers on your pants? No. So take that shit off because you don't need it. It looks stupid. Anyways, what else came in that package? I will tell you guys real quick. They did throw in some stickers from week 1. We have this one right here, this one as well, this one right here, and then lastly we have a couple BOGO stickers. So now I'm getting the information down. This one is called technically the Champions box logo New Era hat. style. This was the pink colorway. Size was 7 1/4. The price point was $48 with $10 shipping. Came out to $58 in total, no tax here in Oregon. So 58 bucks in total for this hat. Not too bad of a price. A little pricey, but it's mainly because of the shipping. But at the end of the day, it's better than paying resale. Now, they did have a baby blue cap or a light blue. That was going to be my second option, but unfortunately you can only buy one hat or one style of each item. So I picked pink. I'm happy with it. I will save my baby blue fitted hat for something different, for like another team or something else. But overall, this is a pretty sick hat. I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks really, really good, and I can't wait to actually get the fits going and started with this actual hat. Now, if you guys want to see the actual fits I do create with this hat, definitely follow my Instagram at YoManaberto, where I post daily fits and sneakers all the time, and you guys will not regret it. And also definitely subscribe if you're new here. I do post Monday and Thursdays, and love to see you guys here on the next video. Comment down below if you guys like this hat or a different colorway, or if you wouldn't pick it up, if you don't like fitteds, you like straps, you like snaps, I don't know, Velcro backs. Let me know your guys' thoughts. If you guys could like this video, that'd be much appreciated. That helps this video actually reach to other audiences and helps the algorithm just push me out there and help this channel grow. So please do that. That actually does help me a lot, and it's very, very, very much appreciated. So thank you for that. But all in all, guys, that's gonna do it for this week 1 pickups new era hat review. If you guys want to see some more reviews, definitely come back in the future. I actually do have more from week 1. I have 2 of the COS chalk logo skateboards, and I will be hanging them up, and so I'll be showing you guys that here pretty soon. So if you guys want to see that, definitely subscribe, because skate decks, super dope, super cool, and I got 2 of them. So, but that's gonna do it for me, guys. I don't have anything else to say, so stay fresh. They said my future was bright, gotta wear the shades.